to another video. Day 3 of camping. Woohoo! It's a bonfire. But before I get started, make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe below, and comment down below your favorite thing to do with your family or friends. So I'm gonna do a big bonfire video. So here's the bonfire. Woo! My feet is getting warm. I don't care if my feet get burned. This is a lovely bonfire. If you have a bonfire this big, comment down below. I'm at my campground. Here's my road you can see across. Here's my campsite that I camp at. It's gonna be too long. No, it's not. And so yeah, I want to tell you guys about my YouTube life. So I'm not here during the week, so it's hard for me to film videos here. So I'll try my hardest to give a very good idea to film videos. I already have the new one coming out this coming Monday or Tuesday, so be sure to go check that one out. I'm super excited to post for you guys. Thank you guys so much. But I'm thinking that I'm going to end the video from here because I don't want it to be like too long. So be sure to like this video, subscribe below, and comment down below for a shout out. I'm giving away one free shout out to one lucky subscriber, and you'll have to comment down below your favorite thing to do with your family or with your friends. I'm giving away the shout out tomorrow in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys!